So most agencies don't have a lead project. They have a manual prospecting problem. They spend hours searching just on Google Maps, LinkedIn, directories, or rather website, and they just build a list of leads that is often outdated, incomplete, or even without the ICP. So this is what exactly why their size pipeline it feels inconsistent. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find more than 100 qualified relevant leads from your ICP in just a few minutes, without wasting hours copying and pasting that one manually. So for that, we need to imagine what is our target marketing agencies, real estate company, clinics, SaaS business, or local service providers. So for that, instead of just searching just one by one, you can use an AI-powered lead prospecting workflow that helps you to identify companies, extract useful business information, and qualify them, just preparing them for outreach. You're not just getting a list of companies, you're getting a list of potential clients that actually fits into your offer. So let me show you how it works. First, we define the ICP. So it means that the industry, the location, the company size, the type of business that we are looking for, and the kind of decision maker that we want to reach out. So in that terms, the systems start to start collecting information about the company itself, and they're organizing the data automatically. So that in few minutes you can have just the names, the website, the contact information, the business description, LinkedIn profiles, and key signals that help us to understand whether the company could be a good fit. So at the end, this is a powerful just because most agencies still prospect in very inefficient way. So either they rely on referrals or call messages or send to random people or long manual research processes. Okay, so now we are going to look how does this really work in practice. So first of all, we need to define what is our ICP business type objective. So in this case, we're going to look for dental clinics that they are going to be our ICP. So where, this is just more common, where are you from or where are you looking for. So there will be, this aspect will be connected with Google Maps in the future, but for the moment we can put like cities, pellets, countries, whatever. Some other keywords that we're going to find after are such as we're going to find that is a dental, that is clinic, that maybe we just want to have more presence, so we can search, okay, with no marketing or with marketing or whatever things that you think that is going to help you in the future. So what's the minimum rating, so that if in Google Maps, for example, does it have a good rating, means that there's a way for improvement. So you can search there for a 3.0 rating, so you know that there's way to improve until the 5. What is the radius? The radius will be between 5,000 meters, which I think is a good ratio, 5 kilometers. What's the maximum leads? In this case, we're going to put 10 as an example. Well, of course, we can put way more. And here a more detailed explanation, such as, for example, dental clinic that they have not reception automation in place. So what's gonna do this at the end for you is gonna look for the website, it's gonna validate that website, it's gonna scrap in the email and the contact people that they're gonna reference you, and they're gonna give you these leads that they are automatically populated in our CRM. So after we launch it, and you can see how this works, so it starts to give us some process in terms of, okay, is prospecting completed, it is in progress, or how does it work, also how many token has consumed. For the moment, this lead prospecting doesn't consume a lot of token, just to be honest. Here we can see the example. So what are the names? So for example, the first one, we are having durian with, it's quite a good lead because it's the temperature as we have defined is hot. The rating is 5, so it means that it could be a good potential match. And the ICP is 95, the phone number, the email, the address, and of course the source, which is this AI prospecting agent. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm Maria Jose. I'm here to help you for anything from